mic is running low on batteries. Gotta make this quick. Alright, I think I need to make the dark. So let's just bite the bullet and actually update our stuff here. Okay. Get our B9A, B9A. Yes. Okay. Why are you adding? Enter. There you go. Got text dark. That looks basically the same color. It's the light pink. I am delete you. There's some kind of color namer. Terrible with color names. Color names. Like, oh, you know what? Maybe this is like, oh, alright, let's try it. Come on. Like, is my keyboard not working? Oh, I just literally can't even type in there. Never mind. What the hell? What is this website? Names. I need... And that's my cat. Hungry. Maybe thirsty? Are you thirsty? All right. Maybe GPT. Help me name colors. I'll give you hex. I'm just gonna call this one. We'll do bright lavender. Lavender. Oh, we got purple. We got bright lavender. I like it. A couple of these random base colors. Start over. Start over. Start over. Not a very riveting setup here. The branding. I think I've sort of determined. I don't remember. Created 4 months ago. Okay, that's pretty awesome, actually. Oh, so I do need other one. Uh-oh. Still need this color. 8C. A lovely shade of purple. They're all just purple? I guess so. Not very sustainable. We're gonna just live in the hex world. Got too many shades. But shade of all my colors. So primary, this guy, same as what. Yeah. Kind of redoing what I've done already. But yeah, same. I did this already. All right, but this color I still need. What is that? That one? At that point, I could just. This one's like a more faded version. pretty complex brand with how many friggin' colors it. So I'm using vibes. How about we do cinematic western? Alright. Seriously, every project I've worked on this week required some sort of style guide adjustments. Pretty crazy. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Missing one. So we got the dark. Where am I using? I wish Figma kind of told me where I'm using. The greatest color? Keep it like that probably. Kind of have to figure this out because I'm not happy with this is the 5-3. We'll leave it. Lacking some color harmony. But that's okay. But I actually here 8C4 FB. Oh, it's right there. All right. Now I just gotta do branding. Which one is 8? This. All right. Gotta work sort of smart here. I always do. They're my brand. This is kind of unavoidable. I just hate how unavoidable it's part of the process. It's one of those things that's kind of necessary in life, is to update your style guide. You know, I don't actually... I think I'm gonna stick to that for now. And then I'm gonna create... I know I use... Well, I'm not gonna create these colors unless I actually need them. How we can be much better how we do things. Right? Alright, these are the primitives. Maybe I'll do like... a little torn how I want to do this. Maybe I can do... do I have a reloom? Take a look at reloom. I pretty much want to figure out whether or not I want to be as detailed as possible with my color naming, as in... Reloom doesn't even do it. As in have like button primary or something like that, or just keep it simple. Keep it simple, stupid. I think we'll keep it simple. I think I'll want backgrounds, and then I think I'll want... I guess I want like buttons. I don't know. I think I'm gonna keep it simple, stupid. Right? And then in Webflow, we've got... .170. Rearrange it? No, I can't. Good. 170.124. 1, 2. Yeah. Whatever. So in here now, go into styles, color. I'm going to, I think, link this. Two, 6, 1. 241. 26124. Where did that come from? 2641. It is a slightly nicer color. I'll give him that. Got a little bit more saturation. But I wonder, can you really tell the difference here? I guess I can. Fine. We'll bring it in. Okay, so in the components then, I still don't really need it. That or that, yeah. A huge difference when you apply it to a background. So that warrants some respect. They're all, I think, updated. And these are all updated. Should add white just because. Okay, now I can get back into the important thing. Recolor. I think for now, oh, I'm messing up the icon. Icon here. I'm gonna export. FP. Just deal with it. Oh well. I guess for something like this, I want to flatten it. Still has the colors though. I'm gonna flatten it. No, you know what? I'm just gonna export. Really know it's an FPO. Oh god. Awful. How about lock? Still move it? I could still move it, but now I believe the colors won't. No, the colors still. Yeah. That's okay. How about we'll just recolor everything. Point anyways. Yeah. Boom. I guess I should. Here. 9 1. This one is white. Sweet. That's now our FP icon. That. here. This one will be darker tone. This guy. Or not white. How about... Doesn't matter. Something like that. Oh, I gotta convert the... Well... Did? Perfect. It's kind of whack. Let's do it this way. There you go. Really trying to use the primitives here. Next dark. I honestly styles. Pretty aggressive move, but it's okay. Alright, so I've gone ahead and deleted all the color styles. These are all tokens now. Good. Let's now begin by changing stuff up. One eight. Okay, jeez. Now that I have that, I do need, ah, my gosh. Need to have need something like that, and then like I need a faded color. Maybe that. Oh good, let's introduce yet another freaking color into the mix. Stick with that for now. 170124. Okay, so that means though that if I was to create a variable for this in the semantic, my text would be that primary text headline is the purple. Right. And then so back in Webflow, I'm gonna need to... This is so tedious, I hate this. Variable color. We'll do colors, background, dark. I guess I could backgrounds. Got dark. dark is going to be this guy. And color light is going to be white, obviously. Do I have white already? Do I not have white? Oh, here. So, how do I move? Oh, I just have to say base. Now white is over there. Okay. Fine. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Dude. Really? Pound. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, we can add a mode, right? This will be light mode. Be mode. Oh. This is dark. What the hell is happening? Lights. Dark. Delete. Okay. In dark mode, I want my text to maybe be this. EACOEA. Maybe it has to be. It wants to have some kind of a color though. So maybe it's kind of my action button. Okay. Okay, maybe on dark mode we get a little bit more saturated. Or we kind of go in this realm here. Yeah, maybe it's kind of like that. Not too bad. I'm just gonna do it. So in dark mode, go to that world. Right? Alright. Now let's create a variable. Call this one background. Slash. Oh, I think it's just background. So primary is definitely white. In dark mode, we go to 170. Sure. What's this one? Yeah, that's 170. the text. Oh, you know what? This is supposed to be D. This is supposed to be whatever this is, DAC. All right. Yep. Primary and then head. Okay. I think that is enough of that. That's whatever. So we got light mode and dark mode. That is all we need. Which means, oh, actually, I can go into elements. How do I make a dark mode? I know I could do dark modes in where? Guess not. Alright, whatever. Fine. But now I know I can do... I thought I could do modes in here. Is that not a thing anymore? How do I say that this is a device background? Ah. Oh, wait. So, is it in the auto layout? How the Oh wait, this is just let's zoom in. This is fill, text icon, default state, size is regular, dark, fill. Oh, whoa, hell. Okay, this one is hover. Why are you conflicting? Oh, that's a stroke. That is none. That is stroke. That's none. I thought there was a way. Oh, there's definitely a way. I'm gonna have to watch a video for this. Seriously?
Honeybook. Honeybook makes proposals, contracts, variables. It's a new thing in the right panel, multiple different things such as the item mode color added to. So thank you for providing that. I've gone to that community file is in the background like this. I'm going to go ahead and paste that in as a value. And we also have this other color and change it to our gray color. Plan, set up a new mode. Now this is what you do want. Now for this mode, create and likewise for our secondary text, I'm going to select everything that's in the lighter gray color. We're going to variables. What you could do is you can now set up a new mode. Now this is what you could do on the basic plan of Figma. However, if you do have a professional plan, you can go ahead and add a variable mode. So this is where our light and you need to make sure that you have a mode 1. I'm going to call it secondary color. So I'm going to go ahead and also copy that one. I'm going to set this color for the color, and for the text, I may have missed frame. Let me go to layers and click on.
Hmm. I don't have it. What? Well, that's good.
Secondary text. Now I may have missed a few things here and there, so I'm gonna double check. So now if you select our checkout frame, and we go to layers and click on this change variable mode, we can toggle between the light mode and the dark mode. Pretty cool. We can toggle between the light mode, and we go to layers and click on this our checkout frame, and we go to layers. So now if you select our I'm gonna double check. So now if you select our checkout frame,
Do I just not have this feature or something?
for our gray, that one, select everything that's in the lighter gray. Double check. So now if you select our new mode, now variables, what you could do is you can now set up a new mode. Now this is what you could do on the basic plan of Figma. However, if you do have a professional plan, you can go ahead and add a variable mode. So this is where our light and dark color will come into play. So if you do want to add a new mode, it will remind you that, hey, you need to make sure that you have a professional plan, and then I should be able to create more modes. Now, as soon as I created a new mode, it copied my last colors in here. Now for this mode 1, I'm going to call it light. For this other one, dark.
Why don't I have?
Go ahead and replace it with this color here. For our gray, I'm going to go ahead and replace it with this color. One thing I forgot to do. So let's go ahead and create another variable and call this one our text primary. I'm going to set this color for the light, and for the dark, we're going to leave it as white. We also have a secondary color, so I'm going to go ahead and also copy that one. Go to my local variables and also create a color, and we want to see what that. Okay. Pretty cool.
Pretty cool. Yeah, I just don't have collection 1. Alright, whatever. Waste of time. Get out of here. Alright, I know I have light mode and dark mode. Now I just wanted to get back into Webflow. 100% need more coffee. Okay, so if I want a light mode, dark mode sort of button, I guess card style, content, button. I don't know what the easiest way to do this is. Do half and half first. R2 light. Or we'll do card. No, we'll do columns. We'll do cards. The columns light 2. Right? Columns light 2. Yeah. Well, actually, uh, columns light 2. Turn columns light 2 into a component. So column. I guess, okay. Royce. So this one will just be section columns. Okay. So far so good. This will be I'll create some divs here. I guess I could just hide them? How do I do this? Columns to call. Right? Then this one I'll do what, like columns 3 call? Where this gets kind of dicey is that I guess it's still on a, yeah, whatever. Columns 3 call. And then we'll do columns for call. All right. Before. Now, this whole thing is. So we'll set some visibilities here. So we'll do 2. 3. This is 4. And I guess by default, I will display 3. Arbitrary. Right? And then I think if I want this is where the custom attributes kind of come into play. Right? So here I'm gonna remove this and just call this section padding. C for component. Let's run with that. Okay. Convert this into a custom element. And then the attribute will be style equals padding 8 rem. That's the vertical padding for that. I think someone has a solution for this already. I can maybe just div it up. Actually, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do spacing. Right? So we'll do. Is there a? No. We'll do padding. What's padding large? 3. Sure. Take a look at main. Oh, let's templates. Let's look at service up a little bit. So looking at my services here, pretty tight. Everyone's kind of tight with it. Eleven. What is padding section large? Well, now it becomes 16. So I think we do want padding medium or small. Padding top small. Padding bottom small. I guess just how I'm gonna do it. Adding section large. Adding extra large. This one I will. Adding top large. Oh, I guess in a way I could like okay. Now we got spacing. Let's look at the props and just kind of update the props here. So this is going to be called column count. There we go. Column count. This will be top spacing. This will be bottom space. Here I could just say small and large. Small. That's annoying. Bottom small. Bottom large. Okay. Let's see this guy in action. We got a column. This. I don't know what this is. Oh. Okay, so let's just add a column. Here's our column. We can say, hey, I want 2, and I want to hide the top, and I also want to hide the bottom for some reason. Oh, and I want to make the bottom large. Yeah. Then I want to make some changes. Uh-oh. But now I can't access the innards. Oh gosh. That's the issue. No. Maybe the spacing is built through gonna have to be different components. That's sort of annoying, but I think that's okay. Okay, so new plan, spacing. I think to reduce the amount of things. Well, let's try this first. Like, look how many things already is in here. Not very sustainable, I feel. But let's try it out anyways. Column count, the top padding, and then we're gonna have up to 4 content blocks. That seems so crappy. But I could do that. Huh. And I can... Oh, not an issue. Never mind. Just double click on it. Sweet. Wait a minute. No, I'm gonna... No, that's not how that works. Okay. So unfortunate, but that's okay. I think... I'm trying to think. I guess what I could do here is I can... I'll do this. Yeah. Not ideal. Sucks. Yeah, might just do it this way. Say image ability. This will be title visibility, paragraph, and button. Visibility. All right. And then here, I want this to be large, regular, image visibility, title visibility, paragraph visibility, and the button. All right, so now they all both share their visibility properties, I suppose. Then all we really have to make unique is the actual assets. Which asset, or the content rather. Card or column 1 title. Column 1 text. Then I can make a prop that will say this all belongs to column 1. Column 1 button. Column 1 link. I think it's just maybe calling it button or column 1 is a little bit, maybe just 2 image. No, it's fine. Column 2 image. Column 2 title. Column 2 paragraph. I don't think I'm being consistent here, so I'm gonna have to double back. Column 2 button. Text. Column 2 button link. Kind of a lot of work just to make things work. Right. Okay. Looking at props, let's start with style. Right. And then we will add visibility or element visibility. Then we'll do element visibility. And then we can press on image. What's this? Oh. I gotta name this column 1 image asset or just image. we'll add column 1. There we go. I guess that's why they added these props, is so that things can be a little bit organized. And then column 2. Oh man, I'm gonna have to do this up to 4. Kind of annoying. You're gonna have to be like that. And then you content. Well, that's just 2 columns. So now I gotta go to, holy shit. So columns. Right? Next, what I could do here is unlink. But then did I just lose everything? Everything? That's great. Columns 3. Three dash columns. Okay. Next, art style. Yeah, it's just kind of the same. What I do? Yeah, I guess you still can. I mean, I guess I could have just done 4 and just hide them. Right? You just have column 2, column 3, column 4. That way, you don't have to pull in a different one. Jeez, I keep going back and forth. Yeah. 2. There's 4. So now what I really have to do here is visibilities are okay. The content I'm gonna have to patch. So this one is column 3 image. Column title. Column text. Column 3 button text. I'm hoping this is the most tedious of it. Column 3 button link. All good. We're all column 3'd up. And then column 4. That's it. And now go to props, create a column 3. Assign to super tedious. And actually, I need a column visibility, each of them. So column 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna have to wrap them all in divs. 1, 2, 3, or just, I guess, yeah, might as well. These are all view visibility prop. Bit complex how this is set up. All right, so column 1 visibility. Column 2 visibility. Column visibility. Column visibility. And I guess by default we can hide it. I guess we could show it. Oops. Ability. And then I need to go to the parent, go to props. And I guess just add, or, well, column 1, column 2. Okay. Great. Columns. And now, gentlemen, we have columns. suppose this is where I can bake in spacing. I could bring spacing back. Adding medium. Clean this up with wait a second. Okay, so now here adding top large, bottom large, bottom, top. This one, I'm gonna hide the large. Start them off with that. So top. Say 0 top padding. Bottom pad. Okay. Yet another prop. Section spacers. It's really cool, really tedious. I gotta head out. So first we want to set top, bottom, and then top padding, bottom padding. Maybe I'll do this. Top large, bottom large. I guess top visibility and bottom visibility. Yeah. And then we'll say top large, bottom large, top visibility, bottom visibility. Okay. I think that's in a good spot. It's kind of a lot to set up just to have all of this. So now we have elements on elements. Pretty cool. Stoked about this. So now in here, I can just straight up hide top. Oh wait. Hide the top and bottom. I guess in a way, I don't need these two. Because if I have them visible and just literally hide it, same. Yeah, that just kind of complicates it, so I'm gonna remove that. Whoops. Confused now. What did I just do? Hell? Oh gosh. Hmm. I guess I just messed that up. So top, large, bottom, bottom large. Cool. That's it. So you can even double up if you really want to. All right. I'm out of here.